How to check for sign errors in factoring. Imagine you've just finished factoring a polynomial and want to be sure you did it right. Sign errors are common but easy to catch if you follow a few simple steps. When you factor a polynomial, especially a quadratic, you break it into two binomials. The tricky part is getting the signs right in those binomials. If you mess up the signs, your factors won't multiply back to the original polynomial. So, how can you check for these mistakes? First, always remember that the signs of the factors must multiply to give the sign of the constant term. For example, if the constant is positive, either both factors are positive or both are negative. If the constant is negative, then one factor must be positive and the other negative. Next, look at the middle term. The sum of the inner and outer products of the binomials should give the middle coefficient. For instance, in the polynomial x2 minus 5x plus 6, you want numbers that multiply to 6 and add to minus 5. Those numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. When you write the factors as x minus 2, x minus 3, check the signs carefully. Multiply the factors back using the FOIL method, first outer inner last. First gives x times, which is x2. Outer gives x times minus 3, which is minus 3x. Inner gives minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x. Last gives minus 2 times minus 3, which is plus 6. Now add the middle terms, minus 3x and minus 2x, which combine to minus 5x. This matches the original middle term, so the signs are correct. If your signs don't match, double-check your factors. Sometimes it helps to write down all possible sign combinations and test each one. Practice makes perfect, so try factoring different polynomials and verify your work by multiplying the factors back. Remember, catching sign errors early saves you time and frustration. Always review your factors carefully, especially the signs, and use the multiplication check to confirm your answer. With these steps, you'll become more confident in spotting and fixing sign mistakes in your factoring work.